Hi friends, good morning. Please look at the next problem in profit and loss. Friends, problem is given in the description box. Friends, this problem was asked in RRB NTPC. Okay friends, see, by selling 90 chocolates for rupees 160, a man loses 20%. Friends, 90 chocolates for rupees 160 means each chocolate selling price is 160 by 90. Each chocolate selling price 160 by 90. Friends, by selling at this price, that man loses 20%. By selling at this price, he loses 20%. That means this selling price is equal to 80% of the cost price. So 80% is equal to 160 by 90. 160 by 90. Friends, now we want to make a profit of 20%. Now we want 20% profit. That means we have to sell at 120% of the cost price. So we have to find the value of 120%. If 80% is equal to this much, what is 120%? What is 120%? So 120 over 80 into 160 by 90. 160 by 90. 81s, 82s, 33s, 34s. So he has to sell each chocolate at 8 by 3 price. He has to sell each chocolate at 8 by 3. That means 3 chocolates for rupees 8. 3 chocolates for rupees 8. That means 12 threes, 36 chocolates for rupees 12 eights, 96. So he has to sell 36 chocolates for rupees 96 to make a profit of 20%, friends. Thank you. Have a nice day.